Put your hands back. Stand like a tree. Whoa. You okay?
Okay.
All right. Now do you want to box?
Box.
Okay, ready? Go right, left, right.
Right.
Right, left, right.
Right.
Good job. Left, right, left. Good job. All right, now we're going to do squats. Ready? Go. Now what do you want to do? More squats? Okay. Okay. Do you want to do the plank now?
Wait.